I look around and I know that's the place that'll stay within me. Wherever I may choose to go, I will always recall the city. Know every street and shore. Sail down the river that brings us life, winding through my Singapore. This is home, truly, where I know I must be, where my dreams wait for me, where that river always flows. This is home, surely, as my senses tell me. This is where I won't be alone, but this is where I know it's home. Thank you, Singapore! We'll find a way to start anew. There is comfort in the knowledge that hope's about His people too. So we'll build our dreams together, just like we've done before. Just like the river that brings us life, there'll always be Singapore. Together now! This is home, truly, where I know I must be, where my dreams wait for me, where that river always flows. This is home, surely, as my senses tell me. This is where I won't be alone, but this is where I know it's home. This is home, truly, where I know I must be, where my dreams wait for me, where that river always flows. This is home, truly, as my senses tell me. This is where I won't be alone, but this is where I know it's home. But this is where I know it's home. For this is where I know I'm home.
Ladies and gentlemen, Kim Chan, Kwaika, and Sean.
Thank
Show
you.
some love!
That was amazing! Everybody show some love for every single performer that lit the stage tonight right here at the National Day Concert! Woo!
We now invite everyone to rise wherever you are as we welcome our guest of honor, President Dharman Shanmugaratnam and Ms. Jane Itogi on stage.
To lead us as one united people in reciting